coasters like that here, it's going to be a good day, let's just say that. What is up guys, my name is Stephen Blackwood. It has been a while since I have filmed anything for my YouTube channel, but I'm here today. This is Liseberg. There's a big old ride up there, you can see it from here. It's a brand new theme park I've never yet been to. It's in the city of Gothenburg, which is in Sweden. We've got some fantastic rides here like HELIX. There's a wooden coaster boulder. There's some flat rides we want to try out, that sort of thing. There's a boomerang coaster, which we're going to check out, that sort of stuff. A dive coaster, which I'm really excited to ride that as well. And like some gyro swings. And like, we've got a Rush. We've got our own version of Rush here. And I can't wait to go and give you all my first reactions, first shots, first thoughts. All of it's here, brand new. It's going to be back vlogging, and it's going to be back a brand new theme park. So come around with me today for all the action at Liseberg here in Sweden. I can't wait, and you're gonna be excited, so come around with me. Whee! We're gonna get some rides, theme park time! Yes, let's go. Hey, we don't normally take escalators. Oh my god, look, it's Callum! Woo! What's he doing here? What's he doing? Alright? Alright. What are you doing here? Hello to the fans. Just come off HELIX, which is basically, it's a hyper coaster. It's like Icon, it's like Hyperia. It hasn't got the height of Hyperia, but it definitely has the feels of Icon. And the train layout, the design, honestly, HELIX, fantastic ride. Very smooth, lots of air time on that. You've just seen some shots. Honestly, it is fantastic. I definitely want to get a few more re-rides on that. Maybe a back row, so it was like we were on row 4 for the first time. But no, you know, that's the thing, when you ride these brand new rides, you just want to enjoy it, get used to it, sort of thing, you know, you're a bit nervous at first. But now, fantastic, honestly, good ride. Top tier coaster there, sort of thing. And if we're gonna have coasters like that here, it's gonna be a good day, let's just say that. Liseberg, let's go. They're just banging out the tunes. Some Avicii playing there, some levels. This is unusual for a theme park. Normally it's original score only. Hi guys, what is up? We've just come off VALKYRIA, which is obviously Liseberg's dive coaster, basically in the Oblivion. It was fantastic, honestly, really good dive coaster, I really loved it. Also just come off the gyro swing, which is called Loki. Loki obviously from the god of Marvel. Honestly, fantastic gyro swing. Obviously we've got one at Drayton Manor, but not as thrilling I feel like as the one that is here. And honestly, the dive coaster, fantastic. We did front row, just the views, just incredible stuff, man, honestly, like, you know, hands down. I'd probably rate it more than HELIX. I like HELIX, but I think I'd probably rate the dive coaster better. So VALKYRIA, or however we're saying it, that's fantastic. So yeah, I want more rides on that, but no. Come around with me for the rest of the park updates. This place is, it's just nice to see something different. It's nice to see something new here, and it's my first time, first reaction, and you're getting it just as much as I'm getting it. Hey, there it goes. That is a coaster and a half. That is such a good coaster. Yeah, love it. HELIX, HELIX. There it is. What's the magic word? come off Jukebox. We just come off Jukebox. It's just there. Flat spinning ride. Actually did alright, not bad. I'd ride it again. Why have we not got that Alwyn Towers, eh? I'm representing back home, eh? Thorpe Park for the win, yay!
It's fun, it's fun!
This is lovely. It's just a nice calm ride. I'm relaxing. I'm taking in the views. If you can't tell, we've just been flumed. There we are, the challenge. It's the Rumba Rapids of Liseberg. So guys, as that comes to the end of this video here today at Liseberg. Up there, you can see it up there. There are some fan favourites that obviously I'm talking about, HELIX and VALKYRIA. I went on them multiple times. Obviously they did have some other, cool coasters here and some stuff. Boulder was there, the River Rapids and the log flume ride, of course. But no guys, if I had the chance to come back here, of course I would. But it's nice to experience this park for the first time, ticking it off my bucket list, getting it on the, getting some of those coasters done that I've always wanted to do. So yeah, it's been fun. And shout out to the HELIX crew for knowing me as the Thorpe Park guy. Shout out to the guy that subscribed to me at HELIX on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel.
What's his name?
The HELIX guy. If he watches this video, he's gonna know that it's him. And to all the HELIX team. If they end up watching my video, they're like, oh, I know that guy, I watched that guy a few weeks ago, yeah. He came to my park, I flew all the way over. I'll be off to America shortly in the future, so I can't wait to get on some top tier coasters and dark rides all over in the US, at Florida and Universal. So from me, from Stephen Blackwood, on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel, we'll see you in the next one. There we are. The best ride at the park is closed. I really wanted to go on it one last time. And Callum won't let me come back tomorrow and ride it.